passenger except yung one. Yan. Ano? Vacant talaga passenger. Grabe yan. So yung bus, meron siyang yan, 4 seats, no? For yung PWD. Then dyan, I think 4 seats also for regular passengers. Then you have here seating arrangement. 1, 2 passengers, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you have 8, 16. This one, mga 5 passengers capacity. But sa gitna, of course, yung mga standing ng mga passengers. How much yung fare? 200 yen? 210 yen. Which is more expensive than yung mag-train tayo. Ano yun? Subway. But this one kasi ano na, comfort na.
Speed yung subway.
Yung subway. But dito naman you have to check on your schedule, no? Parang every 30 minutes, every hour lang yung schedule. So for this time, ito maganda sa Japan na yung passenger wala. They have their bus na schedule. Ayan kami, no? Ayan. And this one. Ang entrance, pasok kami here. Tapos you go out doon. Meron kaming card na i-load yung Pasmo card. Load mo yun. You just tap doon. Just in case maubusan, dapat ready yung coins mo. Yung entrance dito. This is the bus. Bus stop. So this is a senior, no, na packet. Dahan-dahan siya, no? Okay, dahan-dahan. This is yung bus stop. Bus stop covered.